Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use Elementor. Elementor is a popular WordPress page builder plugin that allows you to create a custom layout in design without needing to know how to code, right? So you could just go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and then download the WordPress, the website builder, to activate the plugin of the Elementor. Right? If you want to get started with the Elementor, install and activate the Elementor on your WordPress, and then navigate to the plugins and add new, and then search for Elementor, and then click install now, and then activate, and then you can just go ahead and start see the Elementor interface overview. You can see on the left side of the Elementor, you'll find the Elementor panel where you can drag widgets, adjust settings, and customize your design. And you can see the editing area. This the right side of the live preview of your page, where you can drag and drop elements, and you have the basic elements and layouts. And you can just go ahead and add the plus button, and then you can add single column, 2 columns, whatever it might be. And you can add widgets by dragging a widget like a heading, text editor, image. And you can customize the elements as well, and you can add inner section, as we said before in the previous video, and you can save and reuse the design. And you have the responsive design. You can see the responsiveness by clicking the responsive mode icon in the at the bottom of the Elementor panel to switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views, and adjust for different devices. If you want to use Elementor Pro features, if applicable, install and activate Elementor Pro, and purchase and download the Pro from the Elementor website, and install and activate Elementor Pro like any other WordPress plugin, and access the Pro widgets and features. Use additional Pro widgets and features available in Elementor Pro, such as forms, slides, and theme builder. Additional tips: if you want, you can add templates and blocks. Use a pre-designed templates and blocks available in Elementor to speed up your design process. You have the global widgets. Save widgets as global widgets to reuse them across multiple pages. In Elementor add-ons, explore third-party add-ons to extend Elementor's functionality with additional widgets and features. And by following these steps, you can effectively use Elementor to create custom and visually appealing WordPress pages and posts. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.